afternoon. Today's lesson is going to be on the planets, the solar system, the awesomeness of it. And to start off with, I want to go over the 8 planets in our solar system. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and our dwarf planets are Pluto, UB313, and Ceres. There's an easy way to remember the matchup of these planets. It's my very excited mother just served us noodles, and who doesn't love noodles? So sounds good to me. There are 2 sets of planets. There are the inner planets and the outer planets. The inner planets consist of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Those are the solid planets, the ones that are made up of rock, mostly. And they are between the Sun and the asteroid belt. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and those are the more gassy planets. They're made up of gases, and they're all the way past the asteroid belt. What happened to Pluto? Well, see, in 2006, all these scientists got together and decided that it could not be a planet anymore because it overlapped Neptune's orbit. As you see here, this is Neptune's orbit and this is Pluto's orbit. To be a planet, your orbit cannot overlap another planet's orbit. I don't know why, they just say so. And if you notice right here and right here, Pluto overlaps Neptune's orbit, so that leaves it not able to be a planet, sadly. I love Pluto. Mercury is the hottest planet, and during the day it is about 840 degrees Fahrenheit, which is extremely hot. Venus is a lot like Earth. It actually had oceans a while back, and it still has volcanoes, and its atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. This is Venus, this is Earth. You see how they look alike? Earth, you should know about. You live here. In all honesty, this is the one you should know the most about. It is made up of 71% water, and it is the only planet that can support life other than bacteria. Mars is actually pretty cool. It's a red planet because of the iron in the soil, and its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. And then we actually have like a rover on Mars, and they have a link here. I'll show you. And watch this. Okay, I can't make it bigger. Maybe if I hit that. This actually shows you the terrain of Mars. You see all the hills? That's not actually hills, but we're getting there. Just go over and over. It's a landscape, craters. That is the mountains. Yes, it has mountains. See, it's like, it's actually a lot like Earth's landscape without the planet. Of course, the red dirt. This one is the moon. The river doing its business. It's pretty cool, isn't it? You notice all the red dirt? That's actually from the river. To be continued. Let me come over here and get that off. Okay, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. If you took 1,300 Earths and wrapped them in saran wrap, that would be the size of Jupiter. Could you imagine how much saran wrap that would take? It has this huge spot. It's actually a storm. It's called the Red Storm. And is right here, the great red spot. Sorry, didn't mean to do that or that. But it's a storm, and the lightning on Jupiter is 10 times more powerful than that on Earth. So we want to stay away from Jupiter. We don't want to get struck by lightning. Well, Saturn's really cool. It's one of my favorites. If there was an ocean big enough to put Saturn in, and you set it in the ocean, it would actually float because it is made up of complete gas, just about. And the rings here are made up of like ice particles and rocks that orbit around Saturn, and it has 62 known moons. It's a lot of moons. Uranus has a tilt like Earth does. Earth is 23.5, and Uranus's is the same except for it's tilted the other way. And it has 13 rings, even though they're not, you can't really see them very well. It's like the gases cover it up. And Neptune, our final planet, it has giant storms, and the winds go up to 1,200 miles an hour. The blue color comes from the methane gas, and the average temperature is 392. Now, the average temperature at night on Mercury was 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is negative 392 degrees. So, like, it's like below zero. It's just ridiculously cold. Ice, I promise. And this is a thermometer giving us the orders of how hot everything is. And this is, once again, our solar system in order. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And then you have Pluto right here, this little bitty dot that you probably can't see. UB313 and Sirius. And those are our planets.